Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
It is officially October.
Which means it's time to find out what's in the October Boxycharm. Okay, so, I have not seen any spoilers for this October Boxycharm box, and I am really excited because I have no clue what's in here. So let's get this little knife to open up this package and we're gonna see what's inside. So as you know, Boxycharm is only $21 a month and it is filled with amazing things. So let's see what's inside October's box. All right, so when I first open up the box, oh, what is this? So the first thing I see is a paper that says, flip over for a bigger Boxycharm. Oh, okay. I guess it's actually just telling me what's inside there. And on the back, it says introducing the bigger Boxycharm. Oh, they have a Boxycharm Premium for $35. That must be new. It's filled with products that are worth over $175 for only 35 bucks. Limited quantity starting in November. That's amazing. So it's better customization and more choices. I will look at that in a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited to see what's inside here. Ooh. Oh. Oh, okay, so let's see. All right, well, this is what I seen at first. All I seen was like this big bottle and then this, and oh my God, I don't know. What is all of this? Okay, so the first thing we have here is from Iconic London, and it is a prep set and glow. Shake well for even glow. Gently spray 12 inches away from your face with your eyes closed, applying this soothing mist before you moisturize and use to finish makeup. Refresh throughout the day for additional hydration and illumination. Well, how about I just go ahead and try it right now, honey. That smells nice, feels nice. Am I illuminating? Well, actually, to be honest, I already had some face oil on, but hey girl, hey. This is so pretty. It's like this champagne. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Okay, so that is the Prep Set and Glow, and this is retailed for $29. Next up, we have a Hank and Henry item, product, whatever. What is this? It doesn't really, okay, wait, I'm sorry. This is the Slick With It Mascara Duo, and this is retailed for $19. Let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh. That is a tiny little brush. What is that for? Is that the mascara one? Interesting. Oh, hey girl, hi. So we've got a thick wand on one side and a thin one on the other. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, okay. So the thicker ones is for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. What? I've never tried something like that before. That is going to be interesting, and hopefully they sent me black. Please tell me they sent me black because I don't do brown. Okay, well it doesn't say, so I'm just gonna assume it's black because it looks black. Okay, next up, the Hollywood and Vine Kohl eyeliner. So Velvety Touch Smooth, and this eyeliner is in black. Let's see how much it retails for. $7. Boop, boop, boop. Ooh. It's like a nice, smooth black liner, which will be perfect for making those winged eyes. Okay, next up we have, what is this? A Mellow Tinted Brow Gel in dark brown. I already did my eyebrows before I came on camera because I literally just got out of the shower. That's why my hair is wet. And I'm still in my pajamas because I always put my pajamas on after I take a shower. And then I found out my Boxycharm was all the way down in the office, so I sent my husband down to the office to get it. And while I was waiting, I was like, let me do my brows quick. So this is a tinted brow gel, and it retails for $16. Oh, it says dark brown. Do I even dare? I don't know if I dare. I don't know about that. We'll have to look into that because my eyebrows are funky as is. I don't need them any more funkier. But yeah, so it's dark brown. I'll have to try it on a day when I'm like not fixing to go somewhere. All right, and lastly, we have a dose of colors. What is this, an eyeshadow palette? Yes. I don't know anything by Dose of Colors, so this is pretty cool. Okay, they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free. We've got 5 different eyeshadows in here, and this retails for $32. So this is what the palette looks like. It's gold. Oh, we've got some gorgeous fall shades, y'all. Look at those. I love those kind of colors. So the names on this is pretty cute. Stay classy, brassy, foxy, bossy, and oh so sassy. They just totally described me with their 5 eyeshadows. Okay, so remember, Boxycharm is $21 for this box, right? And so if you think about it, this alone costs more than the whole box. So as always, it's a steal, baby girl. If you wanna know what box I got number 18. 18 with a heart. I never got number 18 before. Interesting. Let's see how much this weighed. 0.85. A lot of you always ask like, oh, what box did you get? Because everyone gets like something kind of different in their Boxycharm. So yeah, that's what I got. Mine was number 18, and I got this stuff, which I really like. Girl, I'm gonna spray that on my face all day. I got the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, the eyebrow gel, the pencil, and a mascara. Girl, I am good to go. So, I need to pull this hair up, and I actually need to start doing my makeup. Also, I got these in today from Octoly. I got these complimentary from Octoly and Eylure. I hope that's how you pronounce it. But I'm pretty excited to try these. So it's 3 different lashes, and these are the magnetic. It's called Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. So like you apply the eyeliner, it's like a liquid liner, and then the lashes stick. I'm excited to try these out, but I don't think I'm gonna try them out today because I don't know if I should take a chance and take a risk when I'm about to be going places because I don't know how it's gonna work out. So yeah, I'll do that in another video. We'll test that out, but it doesn't require any glue, 5-minute application, 15 wears, long lasting. It's pretty exciting. So I got the Faux Mink Volume, I got the Faux Mink Wispy, and then I got the Faux Mink Accent Lashes, which is kind of like just half a lash for the edge of your lashes. But I'm really excited to try these. Have you tried these yet? The Pro Magnetic Liner and Lash System? I'm excited and scared all at the same time. But yeah, so I got those in at the same time. I'm gonna try those in the upcoming days. But yeah, so this was the October Boxycharm box, and as always, I am not disappointed. The only thing I wish, I totally would have if I could have swapped this brow gel out for something else, because I'm not really a brow gel person. I like to do my eyebrows, obviously, because I don't really have eyebrows, so I need to do them. But I would have chosen like a lip product or blush, but I mean, we'll see how this works. I actually might end up loving it, you never know, but I am glad I got a pencil liner. I'm excited to try this mascara out because I've never had bottom lash mascara. This, I don't even know what this is, but I love it, girl. And these Sassy Siennas, that's gonna be fun to play with because I love, love, love these eyeshadows. I didn't even notice there was a little brush in there. This is my kind of brush too. You see that? That right there? See that? Just perfect for like on the go. When I'm like looking in the mirror in the car and I'm like, oh Lord, that looks a mess. So you take a little brush like this and just smudge. Girl, amazing. So yeah, it came with a little brush. So I didn't actually have plans on doing a try on with these products or a makeup tutorial or makeup look or whatever, but I figured what fun is that, and I might as well do it. So I'm just putting on some concealer really quick. I used my NARS and then I used another one which I can't even remember the name of. It's a Givenchy one, so I'm just blending that all over just to cover up like the darkness under my eyes and on my eyelids, on my inner corner of my eye, and then some other little boo-boo spots I have on my face. And now I'm going in with a really dark shade just to add some color to my face because I look like Casper. And now I'm adding a little cream blush to my cheeks. And so now I am applying my new eyeshadows that I just got. It's the Dose of Color Sassy ones. Look how sassy I look. Okay, so let me tell y'all really quick. These eyeshadows are actually so beautiful and they blend so nicely. I'm really glad I got the October Boxycharm, and I'm really glad I got this palette because I love it. So now I'm just lining the top of my eyes with the pencil that also came in the box, and I'm pretty much just lining the inner corner all the way to the outer corner, and then I'm going to create a wing with a liquid liner that I got from the drugstore. So now it's time to do mascara, and I'm kind of scared to try this one. So if it doesn't work out, I'm going to be using this mascara, which is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. It's the Expert Mascara from Kevyn Aucoin, and I got this complimentary from Octoly and Kevyn Aucoin, and this is actually my second tube of it. It is the best mascara, like seriously, you should try it. But anyways, first I'm going to prime my eyes with my L'Oreal Voluminous eyelash primer, and I meant prime my lashes, not prime my eyes, but I'm sure you know what I meant. Okay, so I'm testing out this new mascara, and to be honest, I think it's just too fresh. I do not like a fresh mascara. I need a mascara that's a little drier, so this actually didn't end up working out for me today. It was okay, but hopefully it'll be better once it's a little dried out. So I went ahead and switched over to the Kevyn Aucoin mascara. By the way, this mascara wand, the little brush on it, is kind of like curved, like so it curls your lashes, but oh my gosh, it makes your eyelashes look so thick and long and curled and perfect. So yeah, I just did my eyelashes with this instead of the new one I just got. But I am going to test out that bottom lash wand because it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my bottom lashes, and then we're going to test out that new little tiny wand. It's so tiny, it's so adorable. So my thoughts on this was it actually was pretty cool, and I like it because it gets all those little hairs that those other bigger brushes just can't reach. So it was pretty good. I liked it, but I went ahead and used my Kevyn Aucoin Expert Mascara on my bottom lashes as well because, as I said about the other mascara, it just ain't dry enough for me yet. So I cleaned up my mess with a little Q-tip. I added some Smith & Co. lip gloss and let my eyelashes dry a little bit and added a little bit more. And now I'm finishing off with my new finishing spray. Beep, beep, beep. You have reached the end of this video, and this is the finished look. And And yeah, I love everything I got in my Boxycharm box this month. If you haven't signed up for Boxycharm, you should, because it's amazing. And I'm gonna shut up now. So subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.